Hello data miners, my name is Nishant Yadav and today we are going to talk about the ensemble methods voting classifier. As in real life situations, we want to have opinion from some other person so that we can improve our judgment and performance regarding a situation. The same thing that we do with ourselves, we can do with our prediction models to get the better results out of them. As we have seen many models like KNN, Neobase, etc., they all use some different bias or function mapping that they use to predict values. All these models will make some different predictions given a common situation, like the people have different thoughts about a single situation. Let's see it with an example. We take an example of traffic rule violation for not wearing a seatbelt. We have some data set, we train our model on that, like any model, KNN, Neobase, and then we have some new example, a new traffic rule violation, and the model predicts that whether it's a male or a female who violated the law. It's have a good accuracy, but we can further improve it by using various models at same time on the same situation. We use n models at same time and we train them on a single training set. Then we pass some test example to those models and see what the results are. Then in hard voting, what we will do, we will sum up the number of classifiers that have predicted for class A, that is male, and the others which have predicted the class female. On the basis of that, we will choose the majority voting and the final result will be based on that. Like here we have seen that 3 models have predicted male and only 2 models predicted female. Then we take male as our final classification. As in hard voting, we only look at the final classification that they have made, like male or female, and accordingly take their sum and choose the majority voting. Hard voting is just like an election. We take the majority vote and declare the winner. Like here we have chosen male. We can further improve our accuracy by using the soft voting. Let's see how. In soft voting, we considered both the possibilities, that is, the tendency of a model to predict or classify an example as a class A and class B both. Let's see, here KNN will predict male with 0.7 tendency and a female for 0.2 tendency as a violator. SVM will do the same 0.6 and with 0.4 possibility and so on. Then what we will do, we will take the average of all these possibilities and then we will choose a result accordingly. Like here the average for male is 0.46 and for female is 0.54. So the final result will be classified as female. But what if we can further improve the accuracy of soft voting? Yes, we can do that by adding some weights. Let's see how these weights are added. Create some weights like accuracy measure with each model to determine the final result. It's like when we ask for opinions from people, we will give priority to a person's advice who have more knowledge regarding that situation. Like that, we here associate with every model the accuracy of that model so that we can make our predictions better. So what we will do, we will take the product of the accuracy measure and the tendency of that model to classify any example to class A and class B separately. Then we take the average and we will determine our final results. Here the average of the soft voting is 0.5252 and for class male, and for class female it's 0.2728. So the final class will be considered as male. So like this, we can improve the accuracy of our result by using n models at same time for given example. Thank you for watching the video.